4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
What's up, guys? Daniel in your face. I fix shit. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for the free information that I provide. I have a lot of time on my hands today, so I'm trying to knock out a bunch of videos that I've been wanting to talk about individually. So don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for the free information I provide. It is absolutely free, and if you want to do me a free favor, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment. Helps this video grow. More people see it. Scratch my back, I scratch yours. It's a great thing. And don't forget to check out my merchandise. I've been doing this a long time. Nobody's ever bought a shirt or a hat. It'd be kind of neat to see my stuff out there when I show up at a motorcycle meet. Maybe somebody wearing my brand. That would be pretty cool. You don't have to, but hey, it'd be nice. It'd be nice to see those things out there. I help a lot of people. All right, so this is another topic I wanted to talk about. You're driving your Chinese scooter, Taiwanese, whatever. Your scooter just randomly slows down. It doesn't seem like you're lacking fuel or anything. It just randomly starts driving slower than it normally would. I'm going to give you a list of things to check for. Some of these you're going to have to do a little tear down, and some are very simple to check for. A lot of times when people get their scooter, they forget that they need to put air in their tires, and over time, hey, heat temperature changes on the road, temperature outside, you start losing air, and you notice your scooter used to go 35 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour. Now your scooter only goes like 28, 26 miles an hour, 25 miles an hour. A lot of times, it's just because you're low on air pressure. So when your tires are aired up all the way, you have one small point making contact with the road, right? That's your tire right here, let's say. The bottom of your tire, if you were looking down your tire, that would be the bottom of your tire. When it's aired up really well, it's got just the smallest little point making contact with the road. Well, as your tire runs out of air, it starts to get wider, and now you've created more road surface, and this causes more friction. And when you get more friction, what happens? You slow down a lot. So when your tire is fully aired up, there's only a small percentage of the tire making contact with the pavement, so it's easier to roll. The wider the tire gets from the least amount of air, the harder it is to roll. You ever tried to push a dolly with flat tires? How'd that work out for you? You air up the tires? What happened? It made it a lot easier to push, didn't it? That's the same principle. So a lot of times when scooters start randomly just slowing down, it's just because you have low air tire pressure. Okay, if that's not the case, the next one I would check is your variator. You have roller weights inside of your variator in your CVT-driven transmission. And when those variators, or when the rollers get 5, 6, 7, 8,000 miles of use on them, they start developing what we call flat spots. And when the roller can't go up and down easily with the rest of the rollers, then it throws the weight of the variator off, causing it not to open or fully engage, right? How it should. And then the scooter will start slowing down. That's why you have to replace your rollers every like 7 to 10,000 miles. I would actually change them every 6,000 miles. They're really cheap. And if you really want to be more efficient, put sliders in there instead of rollers. Weigh out the ones that you currently have in there so you can see what they weigh. That way you're ordering the same rollers or sliders that came in your scooter and put the same ones back in, and you should get back to your top speed that you originally started with. Next one, worn out clutch. Okay, your clutch can wear out. It happens. Over time, it happens. It doesn't grab nearly as well. The springs inside of it have opened and closed. The pads start to wear out. You start losing the ability to get fast takeoff, top end speeds, all those things. It all happens. Replace your clutch if you think it's having a problem. If you check the other stuff and it's still not doing it, replace your clutch. While you replace your clutch, another big component that wears out every 5,000 to 7,000, maybe even 10,000 miles is your belt. As your belt wears, it becomes smaller and smaller. And as your belt gets smaller, you start losing the ability to gain top end speeds. This is why you want to change your belt every 5 to 10,000 miles. It literally costs $5 to change your belt. Change your belt. A clutch, $20, $22 on Amazon, sometimes 25 bucks. A variator, about 25 bucks. These are all cheap things that you can do. Rollers are about $7 to $10 on Amazon. Replace these things, right? Air for your tires. If you have an air pump at your house, free. It costs you nothing. These are normally the reasons why a scooter would randomly just suddenly slow down. Okay. Now, not to say you don't have engine problems, but if we were going off of a list of simple reasons why it would slow down, but it seems to be running fine, I would say that this is probably your problem. If it's outside of that, then we need to start looking at carburetor issues, bogging, fuel pump, all those kinds of things can be a major factor. But I think the majority of the time it's something really, really simple that can be solved simply. If all of a sudden you just, one day it's doing this and the next day it's doing this, but it's running fine, I would say it's probably one of the items that I named is your culprit, and it's pretty easy to change all of those things. I have tons of videos showing how to do that. So, all right, guys, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for the free information I provide. Scratch my back, I scratch yours. And don't forget to check out my merchandise, man. Don't forget. Come on, I want to see some of my shirts and hats out there. That'd be really awesome. I've been to a lot of motorcycle events, and I always get a lot of thank yous from people, but I never see anybody wearing my shirts. I want to see one of my shirts out there somewhere in the wild. Somebody wearing something from me. Come on. All right, guys. Love you. Toodles.